Hi, I'm Meteorologist John Dissauer. Thanks for checking out my blog, new at Dissauer. This is Sunday night, about 10:50 p.m. Central Time. You might see Chad over my shoulder, Chad Fryman, who's getting ready to tape some sports things for the breakfast show, so don't mind the noise in the background. That's him taping sports for the morning. Hey, let's talk some weather. We've got a few clouds across the area tonight, but the big story is still all the energy is coming in to the west coast through California and Oklahoma, or I should say, not Oklahoma, but Oregon. You can see the spin in the atmosphere going in just northwest of Portland. And look at the clouds streaming back from Hawaii. The the Pineapple Express is in full effect, bringing up a lot of moisture from Hawaii. That's why we call it the Pineapple Express, bring heavy rains and even heavy snows to portions of California. And this is the area we're going to watch for systems that will come through later on this week. So you can see out to our west we'll have more moisture continuing to come in over Los Angeles. Around here tomorrow we could see a few sprinkles, and then through the day on Tuesday we could see some light showers, excuse me, light showers around the area, but it won't be any kind of a big deal, I think. You can finally see the push of energy coming in on shore during the day Wednesday through California and out towards Nevada, Arizona, and Utah. Let's look at the snow accumulation map. So if you're doing some traveling early on this week, where the heaviest snows will be falling, I should say, out towards the Rockies, of course, and then over the northern United States is where the bulk of the snow will be falling. Up towards eastern Minnesota, we could see upwards of 6 inches of snow accumulating over the next couple of days. Here's the European model. Let's take a look at these for later on this week. System's still going to bring kind of a messy forecast for Friday or Christmas Eve. Here's our area of low pressure by Thursday at noon. It's going to track off to the south and push eastward. So we'll watch this through through time. Here we are into Friday morning, and Friday at 3 o'clock Central. It puts the area of low pressure right smack over the top of us, centered over roughly Mayfield, Kentucky. Up here to our north, we would be talking snow falling, some heavy snow possible across southeastern Iowa, northeastern Missouri, and northwestern Illinois. For us right now, it's looking like all rain to me. The system is just too far to the north for this to be a winter event. We would need, for heavy snow to fall around here at this time period, we need the low to be closer to down here over northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, and southwestern Tennessee. So we need to have it drop about probably 200 miles to the south before we're talking a big snow around here. But as we go through Friday into Saturday, we'll see the system beginning to move out of here. Saturday morning at 2 a.m., the low is here. You've got moisture that's going to begin to come around the backside of the system, and I think we could see some snow showers through the day on Tuesday. Or I should make that through the day on Saturday, which is Christmas. Snow flurries and snow showers possible with some minor accumulations, maybe 1 inch or 2 inches of snow, not out of the question. And then by Saturday afternoon we turn cooler with temperatures only in the lower 30s, and winds really begin to pick up out of the northwest, or I should say out of the northeast, probably gusting 25 miles per hour to 30 miles per hour according to the European model. Now that model's going to change somewhat, and then you'll see we'll be taking it through Sunday. It bombs out a storm just off the coast of New England. Here's the GFS model, keeping the area of low pressure by Thursday much in the same location as the European. It's right here, got high pressure up here across the upper Midwest. And if you watch the area of low pressure, it'll begin to dive again down to the south and then eastward. So here we go, Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, Friday morning at 3 o'clock. So it's just maybe a little slower than the European. But the low's right here. You got a warm front that extends something out like here. And of course your cold front is trailing down to the south. Moisture coming up ahead of it's going to be warm, so we're talking rain. You're going to get snow once you get up to probably right up around here again, over southeastern Iowa, northern Missouri, and northwestern Illinois, even up towards Chicago, seeing some snow during the day of Friday. We'll take it, continuing to move on. The area of low pressure begins to deepen over western Kentucky. This will be rain, maybe some thunderstorms down to our southeast, and then this would be snow up to our north. And we'll take this on through the afternoon. Here we are at Friday at 6 p.m. It's pushing off to the east. Colder air begins to wrap in behind this system. Temperatures probably falling through the day on Wednesday. We'll hit a high of around 39, then those temperatures falling off in the afternoon and evening. And then Saturday still looking cooler with temperatures only in the lower 30s. By Sunday, as high pressure out to the west begins to move in closer to us. Moving overhead, we'll see those temperatures dropping even more, probably highs around lower 30s for Sunday as well. That is the latest from here in the Storm Team Center. Thanks for checking out my blog again, and I'll try to have an update for you tomorrow morning, or probably tomorrow afternoon more likely, here on New at Dissauer. Hope you have a great night and have a fabulous week.